Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we want to know the targeted numbers of farmers and will get benefits through this budget. What kind of support will the state government be given to the farmers during these years, and how will improve the production and the price? Broomstick, after we have recognized broomstick as agriculture produce, the price increased tremendously during the past few years. Better price have helped our farmers. Sadly, this last 1-2 years, the price have dropped to rupees 50,000 per ton. That is, which is 50 rupees per kg. How can we help the broomstick farmers, since there is a large number of broomstick farmers in our state? We need to extend to help to our broomstick farmers so that we can protect their livelihood. Sir, today in the question hours also, I have raised regarding this broomstick, but it didn't come, in which the reply I've seen here, in C, we can see that the processing that is planned only for 75 MT. So the surplus production will keep affecting the farmers. Is there any other way that the Gulf can prevent the low price of broomstick? Coming to disaster management. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I've received complaint that the amount that is to be paid to households that were ruined by fire and affected by rainstorm during the year 2022 and 23 under Maukenro CNRD block. The payment has been pending for many months. Even though the amount will be small, it will be a great help to affected families. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly look into this long pending matter. Coming to rural development. Under rural development, we are seeing the budget allocation for MG and NREGA has dropped to a new low of 600 crores. Why has the budget allocation dropped from more than 1,000 crores to current RS rupees 600 crores? The people are losing out. We are going to deny employment to the people. It is also learned that the government has enforced Aadhaar upon the job card holders. This is going against the interest of our citizens who are scared of Aadhaar enrollment. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I've come across the people in my constituency who are afraid of Aadhaar enrollment. Therefore, I would like to request the government to take up awareness programs and regarding these matters. Coming to reckless driving case. In Shillong, we have witnessed many rash driving cases. Recently, a lady lost her life to a scooter who was driving very fast. A schoolboy met with an accident in Don Bosco Point due to the fast driving bike. What arrangement can be done to prevent rash and reckless driving? People are in danger even when they cross the road. We need to take serious action and ensure that the culprit lost the driving license are booked as per law.
Honourable Member, please.
About to be complete, sir. Sir, I will come to very important issue, vital and very sensitive, sir. This Mukra issue, sir. It's nearly 2 years since the firing incident happened in Mukra. I thank the government for the compensation paid to the Virip family. But, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the check gate of Assam Forest Department is still there in Mukra. Is the government taking any steps to remove the forest check gate of Assam, which fall under the jurisdiction of Meghalaya? We need to give hope to our people and ensure that this check gate is removed at the earliest. So, before I complete, I just want to Coming to the sports, which is coming in Shillong, in the news of Nong San Hima on the 7th of this month. La bansha penduk no kiskim shna madan bam shimkia ki nong mikmat bat kibor badi khmi. Pratali ki project siang klang plastik kawai ka athletic track. So, there is some good project which we already submitted to the government of India under Khelo India. But I request the government of a day, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, to take up this 8 field which we already submitted last few years back in 2022. It's for the need of ours, for the youth and the people loving of sports. Lastly, before I resume my seat, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and his government for sanctioning various funds for the development in my constituency, which has really been a great help for the people of my constituency. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center